Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Test of Oral Pass question. Question number 8. The same instruction is applicable here. We're looking out for the option that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter. The underlying letter in this word is the first letter A, and by pronunciation, people pronounce it as fata, but the correct pronunciation is fete. By International Phonetic Transcription, it is pronounced as fete. Fete. So it means that the first letter A sounds as A, not A as people pronounce it. Fete. So the option A is pronounced as ad, and what we have here is long A sound. Ad. Option B is pronounced as fat. So what we have here is short A sound, fat. Option C is pronounced as beard. 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 There is vowel number 12 here, beard. Option D is pronounced as bay. 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 So by this transcription you find out that the first letter A in the given word sounds as A, as because we say it is pronounced as fete. Then if you look at option D is pronounced as B. So it has the same vowel sound called A. Option D has the same vowel sound called A as in the given word. Therefore, option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.